Welcome back to the podcast. Today we're going to talk about a few misconceptions about your Cadiz move. Clear them up and then everything will get easier. First, it's always warm. The climate is famously mild, but the Atlantic can make winter evenings feel cooler than you're going to expect. So pack for layers and then you're going to be comfortable year-round. Housing is easy to secure online. No, historic buildings photograph beautifully. Yet light and layout, stairs, street noise, those are all hard to capture on the screen. You need to view it in person. Begin with short-term housing and then let the city guide your choice. Customs is just a quick formality. Definitely not. It's predictable when it's prepared, but it's still detailed. An accurate inventory and visa-aligned customs, these matter, especially because your shipment likely clears at a mainland port before the final leg. You need to review what Spain requires and let SDC help you. Cadiz is a resort town. Now, it does have beaches, but it's not a resort. It's a lived-in city with families and students and artists and workers. Expect authenticity. The transition will be effortless. I'm sorry, but any overseas move involves emotion and adaptation. Give yourself space to adjust. Be curious and patient, and daily walks are going to help you. SDC International Shipping will support your move. We design a plan around your household, your timeline, and we pack to Spain-compliant standards. We coordinate ocean and inland legs, prepare customs correctly, and keep you informed, so no uncertainty fills the gaps. The structure will reduce stress and create room for you to enjoy your beginning. For more information, visit us online or give us a call, 844-651-7050.